We'll be praying Psalm 118, verses 65 through 72, Douay Rheims Version of the Bible. Thou hast done well with thy servant, O Lord, according to thy word. Teach me goodness and discipline and knowledge, for I have believed thy commandments. Before I was humbled, I offended. Therefore have I kept thy word. Thou art good, and in thy goodness teach me thy justifications. The iniquity of the proud hath been multiplied over me, and I will seek thy commandments with my whole heart. Their heart is curdled like milk, but I have meditated on thy law. It is good for me that thou hast humbled me, and I may learn thy justifications. The law of thy mouth is good to me, above thousands of gold and silver.